G'day, here's a little bit of a mixed parcel of fossil seam material, bit of maybe a few knobbies amongst it. It's on a black base, a lot of it, or very dark grey. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, the rule's in millimetres. I've zoomed in for you. As you can see, it's quite dark. Give you a nice bright vibrant colours. You can see some of the little stones jumping out at you there. It's mostly small material. There's a few bigger pieces amongst it. A couple of pieces that was down near the rule. And there's a piece like that with nothing in it. It's really the little pieces like this that'll cut nice little bright stones. Piece of crystal. Looks like that's got a bit of sand in it. Hours of fun looking through it. So here's the sort of material that's amongst it. Thin, black base. Make that the top. Over a centimetre long. It's ½ inch, getting towards ½ inch. As you can see, because it's sitting flat, it's not showing you the colour bars that much. There's a nice piece. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea. These couple of bigger pieces. Still got the clay attached. Here's this other, quite a nice piece, this piece. Nice colour bar there, bit lighter base. How far it goes back, it's hard to know, but that's part of the surprise of what you end up with. Anyway, I think that gives you an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.